The Commonwealth Games is a major international multi-sport event held every 4 years among the Commonwealth of Nations, mostly former British territories. It brings together athletes to compete in various sports while promoting equality, friendship, and shared values. Unlike the Olympics, the Games include smaller nations and territories, creating unique opportunities for athletes worldwide. It has grown into a global spectacle featuring men, women, and para athletes celebrating inclusivity and sportsmanship. Commonwealth Games, originally known as British Empire Games, first edition 1930 in Hamilton, Canada. The event has gone through name changes and format evolutions over time. It expanded in the number of sports, inclusion of women and para sports. The governing body was originally the Commonwealth Games Federation and now rebranded as Commonwealth Sport from March 2025, reflecting its ambition to be more movement than just event organizer. Today, 72 Commonwealth Games Association participate in events ranging from athlete to netball and lawn bowls. Its tradition include the King's Baton Relay and ceremonial hosting of the Commonwealth flag symbolizing unity among member nations. Commonwealth Games Ahmedabad 2030. On October 15, 2025, the Commonwealth Sport Executive Board has finalized Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India as the host city for the 2030 Commonwealth Games, which will mark the 100th-year anniversary since 1930 Hamilton Games. Indian Cabinet on August 27, 2025 approved the bid and nominated Ahmedabad as ideal host city, highlighting its infrastructure, democratic support, and sporting culture. Formal proposal presented to the Commonwealth Sport Evolution Committee September 2025 emphasizes affordability, inclusivity, sustainability, gender equity, para sport integration, and long-term legacy. 2030 bid is India's second time hosting. First was Delhi 2010. The sanitary edition holds symbolic value. Infrastructure and urban planning for Ahmedabad. The bid includes the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Enclave, estimated at Rs 6,000 crore, with features aquatic center, indoor arena, athlete village, and upgraded stadiums. Transport and hospitality upgrades are underway. Airport terminal expansion costing Rs 3,130 crore, metro and BRTS networks being enhanced, new hotels and accommodation being built. Rezoning of agricultural land 200 hectares approved for sports and related infrastructure development around Ahmedabad. Example for sports zone, residential zones near sport complexes. Commonwealth Games 2030 Ahmedabad hosting significance. Sport infrastructure expansion. Hosting 2030 will require accelerated improvement in stadium, athlete village, training centers, transport, and hospitality. This infrastructure can benefit local communities and future events. Economic benefits, job creation through construction, services, tourism, potential boost to local businesses, tourist inflow, increased investment, and urban development, especially in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Soft power and global image. Successfully hosting sanitary edition would enhance India's standing in international sports. Ability to host Olympics 2036 may be bolstered. Social and youth engagement. Increased participation in sports, training of officials, volunteers, youth development, community health and recreation centers, promotion of sports diversity with reinstallment of sports dropped, broader talent base can benefit improved competitiveness in lesser funded sports. Commonwealth Games Glasgow 2026. The 2026 Commonwealth Games, officially the 23rd game, will be held in Glasgow, Scotland from 23rd July to 2 August 2026. Originally awarded to Victoria, Australia, the state withdrew due to rising cost. Glasgow was confirmed as the replacement host, becoming the third city in Scotland to host the game. The 2026 edition will be smaller, featuring 10 sports, 4 venues, and no athletes village. It is also the first games after King Charles III became head of the Commonwealth. Commonwealth Games ceremonies. The opening and closing ceremonies celebrate the culture of the host nation, include flag hosting and introduce athletes. Opening ceremony. The ceremony begins with the hosting of the host nation's flag and national anthem. Flags of the previous and next host national nations, along with the Commonwealth Games Federation flag, are also raised. Artistic performance showcase music, dance, and theatre reflective of the host culture. Athletes enter grouped by nation, with the previous host first and the host nation last. Speeches formally open the games. Mine and the King's baton, carried by a distinguished athletes symbolizes unity and goodwill. Closing ceremony. The closing ceremony occurs after all competition conclude. Athletes enter together without national distinction, symbolizing unity. Officials give speeches and the Commonwealth Games flag is handed to the mayor of the next host city. Artistic display highlight the next host nation culture. The David Dyson Award honoring an athlete for exceptional performance and contribution is presented. The ceremony reinforces the spirit of sportsmanship, cultural exchange, and camaraderie among participating nations. Medal presentation. After each event, medals are awarded to the top three competitors or teams on a three-tiered podium. National anthems are played for gold medalists and flag of medalists are raised. Volunteers assist in ceremonies, acting as flag bearers or presenting medals, ensuring smooth proceedings and reinforcing community involvement. Commonwealth Games Sport. The Games feature a diverse sports program blending Olympic sport with events unique to the Commonwealth, core and optional sports. The 2026 program will include 10 sports: athletics, para-athletics, 3x3 basketball, 3x3 wheelchair basketball, boxing, gymnastics, judo, lawn bowls, netball, swimming, including para-swimming, track cycling, para-track cycling, weightlifting, and para-powerlifting. Several previous sports like rugby sevens, badminton, squash, diving, and wrestling have been removed due to infrastructure and time constraints. Para sports inclusion. The 2026 Games will feature 47 para sports events, the largest in Commonwealth Games history. Athletics will include jumping, throwing, and track events. Swimming has added men's 800-meter and women's 1500-meter freestyle events. Wheelchair basketball and 3x3 basketball have expanded team quotas, highlighting inclusivity and equal opportunities for athletes with disabilities. Commonwealth Games 2026 changes announced. Significant changes have been made to make the 2026 Games more sustainable and cost-effective. Event scaling. Originally, Victoria, Australia was to host, but rising costs led to cancellation. Glasgow agreed to host a scaled-down version featuring 10 to 13 sports using existing venues without constructing a new athletes village. This approach demonstrates fiscal responsibility while maintaining the game's competitive integrity. Funding arrangement. The rescue plan relied on CGF funding and commercial income. The Commonwealth Games Federation provided €100 million, supplemented by the €30 to €50 million from commercial sources. Australia contributed $200 million as compensation. Reports cite figures from $200 million to $380 million. The low-cost approach reduced public financial burden while ensuring smooth execution. Sports program removal. Several sports were removed due to logistical challenges, including rugby sevens, badminton, triathlon, and squash. Athletics and swimming added new events. Passport events, para-sport events increased, and lawn bowls moved indoors. This ensured the games remain competitive, inclusive, and manageable for athletes and organizers alike. Sports format changes. Cycling will maintain 26 events despite dropping. Mountain biking lawn bowls will now be held indoors with a reduced number of events. Athletics has added the 4x400-meter relay and reintroduced the mile race for men and women, paying tribute to the historic Miracle Mile of 1954 between Roger Bannister and John Landy. These changes reflect flexibility, modernization, and audience engagement. Commonwealth Games Mascot 2026. The official mascot for Glasgow 2026 is Finny, Glaswegian unicorn. Finny's design was created by school children, promoting youth engagement. Her horn is a traffic cone, a playful nod to Glasgow Duke of Wellington statue tradition. The unicorn symbolizes Scotland's national animal and is linked to the royal coat of arms. Finny represents creativity, cultural pride, and a friendly ambassador for the game, helping build excitement and identify among fans and participants.